boys, it's cold, it's Monday. Let's get back to the shit show. Starting the morning out, we got ourselves a next gen 336. It's roughly well overdue for service, so let's get into it. Also needs bucket teeth. Awesome. Boys, I swear to God, every fucking dozer, every one of these little motherfuckers right now have got fucking blade issues. God damn. Wow. Do it again. Stop now. Hey, more fun uses with this fucking thing. Good God. How's your lungs, my boy? How's your lungs? Holy shit. Is a drop test really necessary? It's got bees and shit in it. But anyway, drop test. Wow. That, boys. Oil catch doing its job. 120,000% out of 10. You guys need these. You guys need them. It's the fun part, boys, is changing the hydraulic filter without making a fucking mess. You order the split pea soup. The finest of Caterpillar oil made of 100% Caterpillars. All changed. Now to get some samples out of the finals and probably replace that fluid. Nothing to see here, boys. Just doing some activities. No big deal. News. Icon Ratchet lives to fight another day, boys. You're gonna have to be torched. Yeah, these guys all look real fun, don't they, boys? Time to torch them, boys. Time to torch them. Damn you, Hobo Freight. Damn you. Broke that ring right off there. First use. Burn, motherfucker, bang. Thought I had the right one, boys. And yeah, that's not the right one. So off to Carter we go. Attempt number 2. Let's get these put on you. And done. Yep. That ain't no damn good. Start another one. Ever since you fixed something, now the radio doesn't work. So breaking out the schematic, checking the basics here, and then we'll dive deeper into this old 7 hundo. The issue with the power outlet, well, if it's not connected, well, it's probably not going to work. That's problem number 1. Well, that's not good. Yeah. Obviously, we've got a break in the headliner harness I got to go deeper into, but that will be tomorrow on top of all the other fun shit that I have to do. So, on to tomorrow, boys. All right, boys. It's Tuesday. It's raining. I don't know what the hell we're getting into. Let's get to it. What do you do on a rain day? That's right, bucket teeth. And you can't forget PM kits. Wait a minute, I do that like every day. I wants to work blue collar until they got to break the Carhartts out and do Carhartt shit. All right, so we got a PM level 2 kit. Pretty basic. You got your cabins, your airs, hydraulic, oil filters, fuel filters, all that fun stuff. Well, let's get up here, not fall, and let's get this turd fired up. Coming out. And that one's all right. This one doesn't look that bad. Yep, came right out fine. Now this unit right here has seen better days though, boys. You got to get that oil sample right off the head, you know. Right now, boys, I'm an absolute believer in these oil catch. Man, I'm telling you right now, these things are awesome. All right, so if you guys are looking for a quick, fast, and down and dirty cross-reference, so you get that 434 3928 fuel filter. Well, so you can use this 570 1623 fuel filter just in case you don't have that one in stock. Boys, it's like Groundhog's Day all over again. Right now, boys, as low hours hydo hits differently than the high hours. I feel when you're pouring, the best method is the old bartender method. You know, just get it as high as you can. Hey, fire me up. She's good to go. On to the finals. And then fucking bucket teeth. Yeah. Out here, new air hammer goofing. Yeah, when that broke yesterday, I couldn't find a replacement last night. So insert new air hammer here. Hey, boys, there's more than just ignorance. This right here has been a complete bitch. I'll be dead honest with you. This one particular one has been a straight bitch. I gotta tell you, boys, that's the wrong bucket tooth. So we got this big unit right here, and you guys know what's happening next. That's right, more bucket teeth action. Yay! By far the easiest teeth ever to install. By far the easiest, boys. Do a little pump and valve calibration on this unit because of the operator complaints. Not the lead operator, but just the guys who hop on there from time to time. They don't like the way this thing runs, so we're going to go and calibrate it. Boys, I think it's safe to say we got a little mud on them tires today. Whew! Alright boys, it's Wednesday. Either get humped or be humped, boys. Let's get back to it. Got the shopping cart loaded down this morning. Boys, this and these put on this fucking turd. So let's get it done. Need the old Icon ratchet. And done. Like, totally done with these fucking bucket teeth. I guess next it'll be cutting edges. Alright, we're back on the old 300G. Well, apparently it's G as in G's. I tried to start it and she didn't do shit, so let's get into it. We're going to use this because, yeah, these terminals do not look great. So let's see how much acid leakage we got going on in this fucking battery. Not a rocket surgeon, but I'm pretty damn sure that's a lot of corrosion. Well, that's pretty damn low for standby voltage. There you go with the key on. Like I said, real low system voltage. Insulating our batteries, this dude right here is only at 8 volts, so I'm sure when this thing's keyed on, it falls right on its ass. We're gonna try to film and crank at the same time. Hey, look at that. All right, so we're charging okay. Let's check current. Current seems a little low, but when you got a battery that's checking out, I mean, anything's possible at this point. Plus, this ground cable is not living its best life. So we'll start out with ordering a new battery for it and new ground cable to start. 350 Hitachi apparently is doing some weird cat shit. Let's take a look at it. Derek took the fucking key out of it. Please hold. Apparently word on the street is this thing, the horn's going off intermittently. They left the key on and this thing was just blowing its ass off. So you can hear the contact just feels like complete shit. I don't know. Maybe bad horn contact. All right, 336F, and she's a leaky boy. Yeah, thankfully I keep these in stock. Fuck. All right, new hose, some oil. Let's get this shit changed over. Boys, Forma funnels for the fucking win. This thing was depressurized for a minute, and yeah, this was a pretty easy removal. No mess. Boom, new hose installed. Twin tie on there. Let's fire it up. Let's make sure she ain't leaking. No leaking. That's a fix, boys. All right, so if anybody was curious, we've made some leeway with the 700. So we're getting down to X61, which you guys see right there. That is your headliner harness that goes from basically the battery compartment and the converter and what have you area there. So we got a lot more shit to tear down to get to this point. But we're going to figure out at some point why this fucking radio won't work and why the damn power outlets won't work. Because, boys, I'll be honest with you, man, it's cold out there. We're in the 30s, okay, and that's cold for me. So we're monitoring the fucking machine remotely. I don't care. We're in the cab of the truck. We're going to try to stay warm in here and let it do its broken thing. Junk. All right, so I wanted to take a minute and address a question I've been getting pretty much across all platforms. What's the deal with the Kenworth? Boys, I have no ETA. I don't have any real answer for you as of right now. We're working things out, but for the time being, anything is possible. But for the time being, we are not done decking out the new service truck. The fine folks of Evor, that's right, we're going to keep throwing more crap at the new truck for the time being, just to make it more serviceable until we have an alternative option. But for the time being, like I said, this is what we got. And we putting in that work, boys. I mean, come on, we still getting out there. We still doing shit. So, I mean, eventually we will have another service truck or the Kenworth will be back. I don't know. For the time being, enjoy the F350 coverage. All right, boys, welcome to Thursday. It's cold. Let's get back to it. All right, we got an 850K. That's got some issues with a panel. I don't know why Deere and their fucking panels. They're fucking trash. God damn. I snapped the carriage bolts that go into the frame for this unit right here. So we're going to go ahead and see if we can't match it up over at James River and get that unit going. Boys, that's fucking mint. That should be factory right there. New hardware later, thanks to the boys over at James River. And done. And back to service it goes with new lights, tracks adjusted, on top of all the other bullshit. Boys, we got the old welding rig out. That's right, we got a little welding project on this here Kubota. So this is our next little side quest on top of our other side quest. So we got the collector all re-welded back up. Also broken bracket right here for the exhaust, re-welded back up. I'll be honest with you boys, it's definitely a welding rig setup right here. Not really. Kevin tells me he's hearing the sound. Well, you're missing something, my guy, and these are basically hand tightening. So, yay, a day of missing hardware, a day of bullshit. Installed, no more noises. Yup, welcome to Maryland. Brining the fucking roads. We're gonna get a fucking 1/8 of an inch of snow. But alright, so most of you guys know I hate the fucking wintertime. I fucking hate it. So, yeah, it's actively snowing, and it's been snowing in Maryland since I guess last night. I don't know. But leaf blower to the rescue. I hate snow. Alright, so general question here. So it's a C71 and a 336 DKS machine. Now, I don't know what it is about C71s, specifically compound turbo, the ones that are in 336s. Why is it they're always high in aluminum? I've had this happen in a few cases, even back when I worked for CAT, that you would get a few oil samples, didn't even matter what hour range, and you could tear ass into this engine, and you still find nothing. I don't know what it is about C71s and their fantastic ability to pull a bad oil sample and always come back for high aluminum. Now, I know this, but if you had somebody from the outside looking in seeing that, you know, hey, I just pulled an oil sample, I've got high aluminum, is my water pump coming apart, is there a serious issue? No, it's just they fucking suck. Thanks, Perkins.